Baby, my situation is at work. She said, hey guys, so all of my three kids are finally falling asleep all at the same time. Like they all fell asleep at the same time. This only happens by the special grace of God or just my luck. And today I am actually that lucky. Opportunity. I'm going to make use of this opportunity to transform myself into a hot girl again. Because just look at this. This mama is looking like a mess. Look at me. Look at what I'm wearing. Look, I'm still in my pajamas and it's currently 12 something. I think it's almost the 1 self, and I'm still in my pajamas and this bonnet. No, we're going to change that. So I'm probably going to start by taking a shower because I look like a mess. I look a mess, honestly. I am a mess. I'm going to start with a quick shower. Like my head is hot, so I need a cold shower to just calm my head down. Oh my god, baby, my situation is at work. She's what am I going to do? Okay, I'm going to see if she will go back to sleep because I need to hurry this up. They are finally asleep again. So I'm going to be sneaking. Let's sneak that out. Oh my god. Okay, I have a question real quick. Home content creators, how do you all do this? Because oh my god, this is a substance. Oh my goodness. They are still sleeping, so this is going to be like our routine today. Like she's going to keep waking up every 5 seconds. But today I'm determined to make it work. I'm determined to take care of myself because I look like a homeless person. This is not normal.
Hey guys, so I was actually supposed to put voiceover on these videos, but as you can hear from my voice, I am actually under the weather. Like I am a little bit ill, so I could not record voiceover for this video. But I still need to post it to encourage you to, take that time, even if it's 20 minutes that you get out of the day. Just take the time and put yourself together a little bit. Okay, I did take a shower and then I start up with my morning skincare routine. Well, as you can see, I am very sick, and even being sick, I still do not get any bit of peace, any bit of quiet. I mean, motherhood is just something else on its own. I'm just going to stop this voiceover right now. At least try if I can rest a little bit. Please watch the video, like, and please share it. Okay? All right, mamas, I'll see you all. Take care of yourself, literally.